friends, welcome back to my channel. Going to do something today that I've never done on my channel before, and that is I'm going to share my Ipsy bag. If you don't know what Ipsy is, it is a monthly makeup subscription service that costs $10 a month. It's just a flat $10, and you get a makeup bag and like 5 things in it. Sometimes they're full size, sometimes they're maybe a sample, but it's usually brands that you've never heard of or higher end brands. I've been getting this for about 6 months now. Back in the summers when I started it. Now my daughter has always had the subscription, I think since the very beginning. Periodically she would give me a lipstick or an eyeshadow or something that she wouldn't use, but she has thoroughly enjoyed hers for several years. So this past summer I thought, you know, it's about time to treat myself, and I started getting it myself. Now you go in online and you fill out a little profile, and you know, with these subscription services, it's really just a treat for yourself. You can't expect all your products that you receive in this grab bag way to be perfect for you. But honestly, after about 6 months or so, I've been super pleased with what I've gotten. You know, there's a few things I've given away, and in this past Christmas I saved a few things through the fall and threw it into some stocking stuffers and stuff like that. You know, just colors of eyeshadow colors and things I definitely wouldn't use. And then I'm also kind of paying back my daughter when I get things I know she'll use. This month I got this bag right here. Every month you get a makeup bag, and really I can't say anything really negative about Ipsy other than the fact that I think the makeup bag every month is kind of overkill. After 6 months, I've got a stack of these little makeup bags, and they're super nice quality. I don't know how they do it, you know, being able to give such nice bags, you know, for just $10. I mean, I'm sure there's, you know, these brands that are donating the products, or, you know, to get the word out. I've been real pleased with the bags. I just wish that maybe they would rework it to where maybe skip 1 month of products and just give one nice makeup bag a year. That's just an idea. But I'll still keep collecting these little bags until I can figure out something to do with them. About every other month, I get a makeup brush. Makeup brushes last a long time, and I just put it in my stash. I've got a little container that holds makeup brushes, and I'll eventually use it. I did put a couple in some stockings this past Christmas because there's just no way I'll get to using all of those makeup brushes. The next thing I got, and I'll have to put my glasses on, I can't even pronounce the name of it, so I'm just going to kind of hold it up here and maybe it'll focus so you can see what it is. But it's a black eyeliner pencil. Honestly, when you're over 40, you've got to be really careful with black eyeliner. You know, I don't know if you recall me mentioning this before, but I am a licensed hairdresser esthetician. I followed my mother's footsteps, and I haven't done hair in 20 years. But if you are a dark-haired person or dark features, you know, you can get away with black eyeliner or dark eyeliner a lot longer than someone with my type of coloring. You know, when I wake up in the morning, my face is just a blank slate. So I have to be super careful, and I just really avoid it. You know, it just gives me too harsh of a look, and especially over 40, you just got to be careful. The next thing I got was a brand new bottle of Color Lub. It's like L-U-B, and the color is Feverish, and I actually have it on my hands right now. I need a manicure terribly. I painted my nails on Saturday. I have used Windex, I've cleaned the counters, I've cleaned the house a couple times. And I tell you what, I can't get over how well this polish has stayed on. My only problem with when I was putting it on was it was super thick, like it was old polish. I don't know if that's part of why it stays on so well, but I really thought it was just like old. And now after 3 days of it being on and it's not rubbing off on the ends, I didn't even put clear coat over the top. Burgundy, I mean, it almost looks black, but I really like it. The next thing I got was a Caviar brand. I've never heard this, Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture CC Cream. I will tell you that it is highly perfumed. Normal to dry skin can normally get away with highly perfumed stuff, but you know, if you're sensitive, I don't know so much. So for those of you that have super sensitive skin and can't wear stuff like this, save it for your elbows and feet. They're awesome. I'll show you. A lot of times I will get these little single eyeshadow colors. It's Nomad Stockholm Midnight Sun. Never heard of this brand. So about every other month, I will get some weird you know, gold shimmer, purple shimmer. But the other months, I'll get an awesome cream or white looking shimmery that's perfect for blending and to toning down your eyeshadows and stuff like that. So I've been real pleased with my eyeshadows that I've been getting. Anyway, but you know, for $10 a month, I am using more than half of what they send me, and I really don't think it is a waste, because I am able to gift things. I'm able to help fill Christmas stockings. I've got so many friends that have Ipsy now that you can trade things that you get. So I hope you enjoyed this. This was something new. If you want me to share my Ipsy bag every month, comment below and I'll be more than happy to. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.